Hi, it's Peter Boulton. I don't know if you're anything like me, but sometimes we're not always good at sharing things that are happening for us, but perhaps other people can benefit from as well. And it really helped me to consider my journey with SFM. This is the digital marketing education business that I signed up with back, a year ago now in August. And what was really dramatic, and I shared some of this the other day on one of my videos, is the number of sales inquiries that I've been able to generate for my online business, having learnt what I need to be able to do exactly that, generate sales inquiries. And the dramatic effect sort of came back to me when I was sharing earlier with a friend of mine that back in October, I generated 18 sales inquiries for this business. And every single month since October, I've generated more inquiries per month. In fact, it does sound dramatic, doesn't it? Because last month, which was the month of July, I generated 570 inquiries. Now that's on a fixed budget. In other words, I'm spending the same amount of money each month on my marketing as I was back in October, as I still am now. And going from 18 inquiries in 1 month to 570 inquiries 9 months later seems extraordinary. But it's the real lifeblood of any business. And what I get excited about is that now I know how to do that, I can share that formula, that blueprint with companies that I'm working with to help those businesses also to generate more sales inquiries. So if you're watching this today and you're thinking, I keep seeing information about, Peter Boulton and SFM and digital marketing and starting and running an online business, well, maybe today is the day that you should take action and say, I want to look into this further. And if that's the case, just visit my website, which is peterbolton.com. I'll put the address on the bottom of this video towards the end so that you've got it. And if you go to my website, there is a green box on the homepage that says free video workshop. And basically what that is, it's a workshop series of videos that stretches over 4 or 5 days, created and produced by the founder of the business, Stuart Ross. And it helps people to really understand, in a very non-threatening way, if I may say, what the opportunity is for being in this digital space and running your own online business. And Stuart really helps the audience to understand the different products and things that are available. And to me, it's not about the products and services that are available from SFM, it's the benefits that you get by selling and delivering those services and those products to the customers that we serve. So if you're watching this today and you're thinking, I've seen a bit about this, but I haven't taken action yet, let me encourage you to look at the video series. If you've seen it before, have another look. If you haven't seen it, now's a great opportunity to do that. And so just go to my website at peterbolton.com. You'll see on the homepage there is a link to a free video workshop. And have a look at it, see what you think. And if you feel that this is an opportunity that you'd like to get involved with, just reach out to me and I'll help you go through that process. One of the things that I love doing in business is helping people to be successful. And one of the marks of being successful is about how much income we generate. And I can tell you, in SFM, there are people that are earning a 6-figure income and more. So if you really wanted to tap into an opportunity to increase your personal income and perhaps go to one of those levels of earning more than a 6-figure income, then maybe this is a vehicle that can help you to do that. I'll tell you now, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but as Stuart Ross, the founder, would say, it is a get-rich scheme. In other words, if you do the work and you learn how to do this and then you apply yourself and you take action, then you too could also be earning a 6-figure income, assuming that you do all of the things that you're taught to do. Anyway, I'll leave that with you for now. Hope you have a great day. If you're interested, please get in touch and I'll be very happy to help out if I can. Okay, take care.